G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Well, I tried to encourage Paul to come today, but he's got other things on. I'm just a little south of NOOSA at Castaways Beach, a beautiful little strip of sand. I'm going to meet my cousin down here, Tara, and her husband Kent, and their daughter, for a spot of beach fishing. We're going to try and get some worms, and hopefully get a few nice whiting and dart. We'll see how we go. Guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you know when we load our next video. Anyway, I just wait for my cousin to arrive, and we'll get down to the sand and see if we can get amongst them. Well, I've just caught up with my cousin Tara and Kent and Missy. How you going, guys? Hey, good for a little spot of beach fishing? Excellent.
A bit of a play?
Yeah. Looks really nice out there. Maybe I should have brought my board, not my rod.
Maybe. So what are we going to catch down here, Scotty?
Fish.
What type of fish?
Hey, we're not
Not
fussy, are we, Kent?
No, not
Hey,
at all.
not at all.
Won't be catty anyway.
No, it won't be caddies. Whiting or dart if we can find a nice little gutter in close, and hopefully get some beach worms. Okay, so Kent's got the stink bag. Our pillowcase with the pillies. Hey, you guys seen this done before?
Nope.
Hey? Let's see if we can find a few worms. Let's keep our eye on our gear too. That'll do, mate, just here. Come back up this way a bit. Ooh,
It's cold.
bit of chill in the water. Right, give it a squish around there. Come up to me a bit, Ken. So we get the full, you want to come up the beach as far as you can, so you get plenty of area to work. Just squishing back. There's worms, there's already worms coming up. Worm just come up, just here, there he is there. There's a worm. So he's only a little fella. We'll just see if we can get him. There we go, another worm. Oh, he's going back. That's what we call a slimy, real skinny little worm, sort of slimy like, but that'll do for bait. Hey! Ken's got his first worm. Is that your first worm? Yep. There you go. Good job. Good job. In you go, mate. Beautiful. Hey, your day's a success,
Yep.
whether we catch fish or not.
That's the first one I've ever caught.
Excellent. Good stuff. Well, we got a few worms. Most of them are sort of slimies, but they'll work all right. Just going to put a bit of dry sand on them now. Got a few heads as well. Now, by putting the dry sand on, just makes them a little easier to work with while you're fishing. Easy to pick them up. They were really tricky to get today, and a lot of small ones, but that's not too bad. It's probably 10 worms there or something like that. And Kent got his first one, so that was pretty good. Hey, Kent. Nice work. Right, a nice gutter out in front of us here. Not far from the edge, and that's what you want to look for. Nice bit of green water. You can see the waves breaking out the back here, and they're just about to reform into this nice little gutter. Let's see how we go. Oh, we got our first hook up and a little whiting. There he goes. Nice little sand whiting, he can go back. Off he goes. Right, Kent's got a better fish on. He's called it for a better fish. Here he comes. No, he's not. He spoiled my one. Hey? Oh, you're hiding it now. You're hiding it. little dart. Plenty of them around. But we're in the nursery ride today. We're catching all the little fish.
All the babies.
All the babies.
After school care.
There it comes. Nice whiting. There he goes. Look at that. Righto, hold him up. There you go. Nice little sand whiting. Probably just undersized. And we'll put that one back. Well guys, we've had a fantastic afternoon down here at Castaways Beach. Been beautiful guys, hasn't it?
Yeah. Awesome afternoon.
Hey, awesome afternoon. Kent got his first one.
Yep.
Thumbs up to Kent. Alyssa's down there still swimming, having a good time. So, yeah, so anyway guys, tune in every week on the Hook and the Cook, and make sure you subscribe, hit that notification, and so you know when we're going to post another video. And we'll see you real soon on the water. Cheers.